Hey everyone, Bruce Stewart here, and I want to show you a little bit about how we use Winbox. Winbox is our DHCP server as well as other things, and let me show you here. We launch Winbox, which is right here. If you're at home, this is the address you'll use. The username and password I will give to you privately so we don't have it in a video. And basically I'm at home right now, so let me just connect and I'll show you. If I was at work, there would be a different IP address I'd put in. So there's a lot of different things in Winbox, but I want to show you right now. If we go to IP, which is already on, and DHCP server, this is the all the IP addresses that are distributed by the lots and lots of IP addresses. But all these are for the high school right here, 10.20.51. So it's telling me that this right here is the high school gym phone door. So that's when someone rings the buzzer at the gym to get in, this is the IP address of that particular phone that rings. This is the high school front door, and there's the IP address right here of that phone that will ring when someone buzzes the front door. The right door is to the right of the front office, and so on. You got what I'm saying? But basically this is where we store our IP addresses and where we grab them, capture them, and make them static. It's a very, very simple process. And this is where all the IP addresses for all of the schools are done rather than in Active Directory. I'll show you a little bit more on this in the next video. Thanks, and we'll talk later.